Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 2 Outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC Connective Outlook while he's at his grandparents'. In addition, I am also filling in for Severe Weather Tracker 1000, as he is currently going through a rough period. So, anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses far southeastern Wyoming, the western half of the western half of North. Why do I keep saying that? The western half of Nebraska. There, I got it right. Let me start it again. So, the slight tomorrow encompasses far southeastern Wyoming, much of the western half of Nebraska, western Kansas, a little bit of the panhandle of Oklahoma, and eastern Colorado. Cities tomorrow slight include Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, North Platte, Nebraska, Liberal, Kansas, and Hays, Kansas. And there are 3 marginals tomorrow, one covering much of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Colorado, western Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Texas, and eastern half of New Mexico. A second marginal tomorrow encompasses southeastern North Carolina and northeastern South Carolina. This marginal, by the way, is courtesy of Tropical Storm Chantal. So, anyway. And the third marginal tomorrow encompasses much of Maine. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lubbock, Texas, and Amarillo, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There are 2 areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. One covering far southeastern Wyoming, much of the western half of Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. And the other 2% tornado risk area tomorrow encompasses southeastern North Carolina and northeastern South Carolina. This 2% tornado risk over here, by the way, is related to Tropical Storm Chantal. Okay? Cities in the 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Fayetteville, North Carolina, Wilmington, North Carolina, Jacksonville, North Carolina, Goldsboro, North Carolina, and Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Okay? Going to the wind threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses much of Nebraska, western Kansas, a tiny bit of Oklahoma, and eastern Colorado. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, North Platte, Nebraska, Liberal, Kansas, and Hays, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area encompasses most of the 15% wind risk area. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include North Platte, Nebraska, and Sterling, Colorado. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms tomorrow. And moving forward, we have 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One encompassing much of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Colorado, the Oklahoma Panhandle, western Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and eastern New Mexico. And the second 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses much of Maine. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, and Fort Collins, Colorado. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in... really? The 15% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses far southeastern Wyoming, much of the western half of North Dakota. No, not North. Why do I keep doing that? Sorry. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses far southeastern Wyoming, the western half, much of the western half of Nebraska. There, got it right this time. Western Kansas and eastern Colorado. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Garden City, Kansas, North Platte, Nebraska, Scotts Bluff, Nebraska, Sterling, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado. Now, we do have a black dashed area here too. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include North Platte, Nebraska, Scotts Bluff, Nebraska, Sterling, Colorado, and Torrington, Wyoming. Again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see 2-inch in diameter hail or larger tomorrow. And we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, encompassing much of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, much of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Colorado, parts of New Mexico, northwestern Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, and northwestern Oklahoma. So, cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Amarillo, Texas, and Lakewood, Colorado. So, in summary, storms may produce severe wind and hail along the central high plains on Sunday. A few instances of 2+ inch diameter hail and 75+ mile per hour wind gusts are possible. So, that's the day 2 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and especially be safe in the marginal in North Carolina, because this is courtesy of Tropical Storm Chantal. Alright? But especially be safe in the slight. So, anyway, stay safe tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.